the strengths of this ACE Pro is the Mega Sensor created in collaboration with the ECA, which is significantly larger than the sensors of other action cams. And this feature will lead to brighter, clearer videos and also with greater actuality of colors. It is equipped with 2 displays, so you can look directly at what you're framing and in front of a second small display. This powerful LED is really very useful to understand when you are recording.